Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're looking to learn the basics of SQL or need a refresher, you are in the right place. We will be covering everything you need to know to start using SQL confidently, including some hands-on examples. In this video, we will go over fundamental SQL commands such as select, insert, update, delete, and more. By the end, you will know how to work with databases and execute key queries. So let's dive in. First one is, what is SQL? SQL or SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is the language used to interact with databases. It is essential for managing and manipulating data stored in relational database management system RDBMS like MySQL, SQL Server, and SQLite. Imagine a library database where books are stored with information like title, author, and publication year. SQL allows us to retrieve, insert, update, or delete information from this database. Select, insert, update, and delete are four basic SQL commands which are commonly used. The select statement is the most commonly used SQL command. It retrieves data from one or more tables in the database. Here is one simple example. Select star from users. This will return all columns and rows from the user table. To filter the result, we use the where clause. For example, select star from users where age is greater than 25. Then this will show only the users who are older than 25 years. Next command is insert command. The insert into command is used to add new records to a table. So if you want to add one row into table or you want to add multiple rows into the table, you can use insert into to add the values into your table. For example, here we are adding one new user to the user table. So insert into users name, age, and then values. Give the name and like here we have given the name John and age as 30. So it will insert new row with John 30 into the table. When inserting data, ensure the data type matches the column type. For example, if age is an integer, make sure you are entering an integer value. Otherwise, it will throw error. The next command is update command. The update command allows us to modify existing records in a table. For example, let's change the age of user in our users table. We can modify age of any user using update command. Here we will use the query update user set age is equal to 31 where name is equal to John. It will modify the age of John from 30 to 31. But always use where in your update query, otherwise it will modify the other records as well. The next command is delete command. The delete command removes records from the table. For example, if you want to delete one user from the users table, we will use the query delete from users where name is equal to John. So it will delete that row where the name is John. Always use where with a delete command, otherwise it will delete all the rows from the table. So be careful when using delete. especially without a where clause as it can remove all rows from the table. Now let's talk about SQL clauses. We will talk about three SQL clauses which are where, order by, and limit. The first one is where clause. The where clause filters records based on specific conditions. For example, select star from users where age less than 30 will show all users younger than 30 years. Use different data types in the conditions, string, integer, date, like this. The next clause is order by. Order by allows us to sort data in the ascending or descending order. For example, to order users by age in descending order, we'll use select star from users order by age DESC, which is descending. By default, the order by clause sorts in ascending order, which is ASC, but we can specify descending DESC if we want to sort the data in the descending order. The next clause is limit clause. The limit clause restricts the number of records written. For example, select star from users limit 5 will return only first 5 record from the users table. Now we will discuss some other SQL concepts like joins, group by, and aggregate functions. Join is used to combine rows from two or more tables based on the related column between them. For example, if we have a users table and an orders table and we want to join both the tables, we have a common column between them which is ID. So we can join these two tables based on user ID. For example, here we have used select user.name order.total from users in our join orders on user.id equal to orders.userid. So the related column between both the table is user ID here. There are different types of join like inner join, left join, right join, outer join. So based on your requirement, you can use the right type of join. The next one is group by clause. The group by clause groups rows that have same values into summary rows. It is often used with aggregate functions like count, sum, average, etc. For example, to get the total number of users in each age group, you can use select age count star from users group by age. You can use group by with aggregate functions also. In this video, we tried to cover very basic of SQL. We covered basic SQL commands like select, insert, update, delete, and also introduced with where clause, order by clause, and limit clause. We have touched on some advanced concepts like join and group by. SQL is a very powerful tool for managing database. And if you want to learn more about SQL, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. And drop your questions in the comment section. If you want to know more about SQL, please let me know in the comment section that as well. I'll be happy to help.